A lot of my painting I do with a roller, but from time to time, when I'm doing panels or cabinets, I am working with a brush. Now here are a couple of techniques that I've picked up along the way that give me better brush results. First of all, when I'm loading my brush, I dip it about half to 2/3 of the way in, and then instead of dragging it on the side of the container like this, you see what's happened? All that paint that I just loaded into the brush, I'm pulling right back out again. Well, instead of doing that, I tap it like this. Now that removes the excess and helps avoid dripping, but still leaves plenty of paint in the bristles. What happens when I reverse my brush direction is I tend to leave these little horizontal lines up here. Now once I've covered an area, maybe about this size, I'm going to come back, re-wet my brush, and then make long strokes from top to bottom, overlapping. So what I get here is one long, even, smooth brush stroke. And this is the process that painters call striking off.